In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 snipping tool not working. If your snipping tool won't open, freezes, or the shortcut simply does nothing, the quickest and most reliable fix is to repair the app from Windows settings. This uses a built-in feature, so there's nothing to download and you won't lose your personal files or screenshots. I'll walk you through each click, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few simple tips to make the process smooth. Start by opening the Start menu and clicking Settings. You can click the Start button on your taskbar and then choose the gear icon, or search for Settings if you prefer. Give the Settings window a moment to load so all categories appear clearly on the left side. Next, in Settings, click Apps. This is where Windows manages all of your installed applications. From there, select Installed Apps. You'll see a list of apps that are currently on your device. This list can be long, so it's completely normal if it takes a few seconds to populate. If the list feels overwhelming, use the search box within this page to quickly find what you need. Now, locate Snipping tool in the list. When you find it, click the three dots to the right of the name to open more options, then choose Advanced Options. This takes you to a dedicated page for Snipping tool, where Windows provides controls for storage, permissions, and maintenance. Don't worry, opening this page won't change anything by itself. It simply gives you access to the repair tools. On the Advanced Options page, click Repair. Windows will attempt to fix the app by checking its files and dependencies without altering your personal content. You might see a brief progress indicator, and in most cases this finishes within a minute. While it runs, avoid closing the window so the process can complete cleanly. When the repair is done, the button will become clickable again, or the progress will disappear, indicating Windows has finished. After the repair completes, the snipping tool should behave normally the next time you open it from the Start menu or with your usual shortcut. If you previously had issues capturing, saving, or launching, try the same action again to confirm everything is back on track. This repair process is safe to run and doesn't require a restart in typical cases, so you can get right back to work. That's it. By using the built-in repair option, you've restored the snipping tool quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your screenshots working again.